What's up you guys, it's your boy and I'm back for another video. So etong shoutout na gagawin ko is para sa mga katrabaho nating hindi mo masyadong feel or hindi mo masyadong vibes kumbaga. And this is not I don't really have any personal experience sa mga ganitong katrabaho, pero kasi may napanood lang akong video kanina about a coworker who's using having 4 kids as a card to give their coworker additional job to fulfill. So una sa lahat, gusto kong i-shoutout yung mga ganong katrabaho. Again, this is not personal to me. I have not experienced those kind of people na, and hopefully hindi ko naman ma-experience. Pero shoutout dun sa mga katrabahong nag-anak-anak ng marami. Tapos kapag dating sa opisina, ipapasa mo yung iba mong trabaho sa mga katrabaho mong single or wala masyadong anak. Una sa lahat, when we step into the office, we are all equally having the same expectation as an employee. Depende sa rank mo sa opisina, no? So first of all, hindi kasalanan ng mga katrabaho mo if they're young, if they're single, and kung mas mabilis sila magtrabaho para sa'yo. And hindi rin nila kasalanan if you're juggling a lot of things outside of work because it's your choice to have many kids. Alam mo, ito yung good justification na life is truly unfair. But as much as possible, in our own little ways, let's be fair towards this, petty things. Kasi una sa lahat, hindi kasalanan ng mga Gen Z or ng mga batang empleyado kung single sila and mas multi-skilled sila kesa sa'yo. Kasi una sa lahat, skill is everything. Everything can be learned. But it shouldn't be used against someone na dahil lang sa marami kang anak, hindi mo na pagsasapay yung work and trabaho yung work and personal life mo ng maayos, ipapasa mo yung trabaho mo sa iba. Guys, mali kasi yon. Again, when we step into the office, we are all having some, equal expectations from us, from the employer. So ngayon, hindi na problema ng mga katrabahong mong single at walang anak or isa o dalawa lang yung anak kung nagja-juggle ka ng maraming bagay. Yes, it pays to be kind. Yes, it's, nice to help out a coworker. Pero, we can only do that in a certain extent. Hindi siya pwedeng lagi. Kasi hindi na kasalanan ng katrabaho mo kung marami kang anak. Kaya shout out doon sa mga katrabahong ganun yung mindset and ganun yung ipinakikitang trait sa mga katrabaho nilang single. Kasi, maybe this is the moment where you need to contemplate kung baka nasa maling career path ka. Baka kailangan mo munang unahin yung, alam mo yon, yung iyong personal life, unahin yung kids mo, 'di ba? Set up an arrangement sa partner mo. Ngayon kung single parent ka naman, again, I can only imagine it's hard, pero it cannot be a burden to also to your coworkers. May kanya-kanya tayong pinanggagalingan, may kanya-kanya tayong challenges in life, backgrounds in life, and hindi nila kasalanan if you're having a hard time. Yes, they will be kind, they will be they'll show empathy sa'yo, pero you also need to be accountable with your job, with your tasks in the office, kasi at the end of the day, we are all employee in the office, or if you're running the business, if you're a stakeholder, we are all equally having the same expectation in the office. So all we need to do is deliver and equally compete in a good way with each other. I hope na bawasan natin yung pagiging toxic coworker natin. Yun lang.